Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI assistant research tools platform, which is AnswerThis AI. So before we get started, know that this video is based on Research Collective data review. So let's get started. So AnswerThis AI is an AI research tool designed to simplify academic work by summarizing papers, generating literature review, and managing citations automatically. It's great for students and researchers who want a quick insight from thousands of academic sources without manually combined through PDFs. The clean interface and the chat with research features make it especially beginner friendly. However, the free plan is quite limited, and full features like unlimited summaries and project sharing requires a paid upgrade, which is very important. So while it saves time, you still need to double check facts for accuracy. So that's it. So in my opinion, AnswerThis.io is a powerful tool that saves time when it comes to research companion, and it's also ideal for anyone who wants a smarter, faster academic writing in 2025. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.